Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use gift code in Whiteout Survival. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So to start with, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our apps and we're going to open Whiteout Survival. Amazing. If you click on your profile at the top left hand corner and then go down at the bottom right hand corner to settings, you can see that we have no gift code button on the iOS device. So what we're going to need to do is go and open up a separate web browser, and what you want to type in is giftcode.centurygame, and it's going to open up this website for us. So what you then want to do is you want to enter your player ID, and then you want to enter the gift code in there as well. Press confirm, and then if you go back out and then go back into Whiteout Survival, you can then see on the bottom right we've got that envelope with a red 1 on it, and then if you press on reports, your gift will usually appear there. Unfortunately, I don't have a gift code to use, but if you do have one, that is where it will appear for you. And that's it, guys. That is how to use the gift code in Whiteout Survival. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing, and I will catch you guys in the next one.